Our business is a precision machine job shop. We manufacture any kind of component from aerospace, medical, any gadget you can think of. Everything needs parts.
The fire we had, we were running a medical part out of titanium, and one of the roughing tools broke. When the finishing tool came in, it just crashed right into the part, and titanium is very flammable. And it just lit up, and the suppression system went off, and we didn't really realize there was a fire.
Yeah, I was running next to the machine that actually caught fire, and when I went over there, the Firetrace system worked, and it had the fire already out.
I was surprised when it went off. We thought just an airline blew because we just heard a hissing sound. And we walked over, and here the Firetrace system had set itself off, and it was already out.
If you're running a machine shop without Firetrace, you got to be out of your mind.
We are automating our operation in the evening, so there's nobody there to watch and maintain the machines. Because we do high volume, we need to have these machines running 24 hours a day. The fire that recently happened, Firetrace system put the fire out in a matter of seconds. We obviously have a lot invested in the machine, and the safety of our employees is number one, and all of that was intact, and we were back up manufacturing within a matter of a day.
I think other machine shops should be using Firetrace in case something would happen, and they could save themselves a lot of money if it would.
Any machine shop consider not running a fire suppression system is just dumb. You're spending at least $250,000 a piece on a machine, and to protect that with a small fraction of that cost is just a no-brainer.